In this video, we are going to continue with determine the equation of a cubic graph. You will find this on page 35 in the Namibian AS-Level Mathematics textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at these examples. Find the equation of the cubic graphs. Okay, in this case, it cuts there, 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 and there. So, the x-intercepts are this. If I substitute, I can also substitute it as in half. It doesn't matter. So it's minus minus a half. But sometimes it's easier if you substitute it like this. Okay. So the root is not written as this, but rather as this. Okay. So I'm just taking this denominator and I just put it with this numerator. Okay. And then I'm just avoiding fractions. So, and then I come and I substitute the extra point. I get the value of a, and this is my answer. Now, what is different of this one? This one, it's touching, but it's actually, because this is the same root, there must be two of it. So, if the touching of -4 indicate a factor is squared. So, it means 2 times I must do that. And this. So, if you look, I square that, so there's actually 2 of that brackets, minus 3. And then I do the same. I substitute the extra point. I get the value of a, and then I can leave it in this form. I do not have to multiply it out. Okay, I want you to stop the video, and I want you to do number B. Again, you can continue the video as soon as you are finished. Okay, find the equation of the cubic function whose graph touches the x-axis at -2/3. Now, just because you can leave it like that, but I think I'm going to do it a little bit different in this case, and cuts the x-axis at 4 and passes through this point. Okay, so let's first start with the formula. So y is equal to a x minus x1. Okay, x minus x2. I think I'm going to write it like this. X minus x3. Although the touching, I think I can even write it. Okay, let's just do it like, I'm changing a little bit. It should have worked. Because it's touching, I can square that and then x minus x2. I think this will also work. So let's just start. Now, can you remember the denominator? So I said y is equal to a, and the denominator is then 3, just like I did there. Okay, but don't forget, it was 2x, so it's 3x minus, okay, but be careful, it's minus 2. Do you see? And I square, and it's x minus 4. So it's basically y is equal to a 3x plus 2 and x minus 4. Okay, and then substitute -1, -5 in the equation. And then I'm having, okay, now this is, don't forget, this is x, this is y. So it's going to be -5 is equal to a, and 3, it's -1 plus 2 square plus 3, no, -1, sorry, it's x. So -1, -4. So it's -5 equals a, and then it's, and this is -5. So -5, oh, the pen. Okay, let's just see, this is +1, so it's going to be negative, so it's -5a. And then I'm going to divide by, let's just see in this case, -5, and I just want to see where is my mistake, because there's no mistake. -5 and -5. Okay, therefore, A is +1. And don't forget that you're going to substitute it there. Okay, so if I'm bringing it a little bit up, making it red, so therefore y is equal, because it's 1, then it's 3x plus 2 square x minus 4. Okay, I just want to show you, if somebody was doing it, and I think it's also in the teacher's guide like that, say somebody was leaving it a fraction. Okay, I'm just going to do it like this. Then, meaning that you would have, in this step, would have get y is equal to a, and then x plus 2 over 3 square, x minus 4. Say you didn't bring that 3 to the x. Then, and you continue with the question, and you come to your final answer, will then be y, then you will get the value of a is 9. But I want to show you that the answer is the same. So y is equal to 9 x plus 2 over 3 square, and you can leave it in that form, x minus 4. Now what I'm actually trying to show you is that this yellow is equal to this red, because if I'm going to simplify this now, I'm going to get 9. Okay, let's just simplify quickly this. If I simplify this, it will be x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9. And then it's going to be x minus 4. But if you multiply this in, and this is what I'm actually trying to show you, then you will get 9x squared. This will cancel, so it's 3 times 4, so this is 12x plus, this 9's cancel 4. X minus 4, and I don't have to multiply this out, but I want to show you just that if you continue in this one, let's make it red, then if you simplify this, 3x times 3x is 9x squared plus 12x plus 4, which is then exactly, as you see this step, you will then also, where it is, see this step. So don't worry, then as long as you leave it like that, this is correct, and if you leave it like that, this is also correct. Both will be correct.